When to use the engagement objective. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So when do you use the engagement objective in your Facebook ads? The engagement objective is an objective you can ask in your Facebook ads where you are asking Facebook to find people who will engage with your post. And they'll be very proficient at finding people who will like and comment on your post and go to your website and look and maybe add things to cart even. But they'll very rarely buy anything because Facebook is very good at knowing which people will take which kind of action on their ads and on people's websites. So when you are asking for engagement, then you'll get likes and comments and also get people to go to your website and look and maybe add things to cart, like I said. But you'll very rarely get any sales or leads if that's what you ultimately are looking for. If you're ultimately looking for leads or sales, then you should use the objective sales or leads. Because, like I said, Facebook is very good at knowing what action people normally take. But sometimes some marketers, they like to run an engagement campaign on a sales ad before they turn it into a sales ad to get a lot of likes and comments on it, because it gives a lot of social proof. Because when we see a post that has a lot of likes on it, then we get interested more in that post to see what it's all about, and we're more likely to watch it, and it may perform better right from the start when you turn it into a sales ad. But you don't really have to, because when you make a sales ad, you'll also get likes and comments really fast. So it's up to you if you want to spend a little bit of money on getting more likes and comments from the beginning. But I suggest that you turn it into a sales ad, a conversion ad, or a lead ad right from the beginning, if that's what you ultimately are looking for. You can also get people to go to a blog post on your website to read a blog so that they know what it is that you are all about. So it's a little bit like awareness, also making people aware of your expertise and who you are. So that's what you can use the engagement campaign objective for. Comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it. Subscribe for more and share it with friends and family. And also, if you want to work with us, then we specialize in getting clients, not just leads, for coaches and consultants with Facebook ads. Right now we have an offer where you only pay if you get a paying client. So if you want to hear more about it, then book a call with me. There's a link to book down below. And also we have some free downloads. There's a Facebook ad template. You can go ahead and download that. And we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. Go ahead and download that. And also join our Facebook group. There's a link to that also, where you'll learn more from me and other marketers. So go ahead and join that. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.